All right, so we're going to TRX. Mark's getting his haircut, and our neighbors are telling us, because we usually take the Grab to TRX, and they're like, no, take the MRT. It's too much traffic or jam, so it's better to take the MRT right now. And to be honest, we've taken the MRT one time before. So this is probably our second time in our 11 months here in KL. So let's see if we remember how to take the MRT. Do you know how to do it, Mark?
I think we'll just look at the map, see. I usually prefer taking Grab because it's from the pickup point and you get dropped off right at the entrance. And if it's jammed, then I'll use my phone.
Yeah, it's convenient. Grab is definitely convenient, but right now because it's on peak hours, it's a little bit pricey. But how much were we quoted for Grab?
If you get Grab plus 75.
Oh, okay. So that's almost like $20, and supposedly it's gonna take like an hour or more to get there.
An hour?
Yeah, we'll see. Is this trackway too? No. Oh wow. We've never really walked this way, and look at this. I know we see people along this road, but it might like a market. But look, there's more market down there.
Yeah.
And there's more market over there. Wow, we haven't checked that out. Oh, MRT, that's what it's called? Oh, how come it says LRT?
MRT green, right?
It's just red. So it didn't work out so well. We tried, but we couldn't find the train stop for TRX on the ticket booth. After a few minutes of just frustration, we decided to take a Grab to come here. How are you feeling, Lars? Ooh, you feel sweaty. Pretty cool. Sweet. I like it. It's good. It tastes nice. It's good, but it's strong. I like yours. So I'm gonna show you a little bit more of a normal life here in KL. I just finished watering the plants right there. I will probably repot those moringa plants later on this afternoon or maybe tomorrow. And now tapping the laundry. Quick snapshot. Today's laundry day and pretty much what I do. I like to go out, work out, explore the city a little bit, mostly cafe hopping. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do the laundry before I leave today. Maybe cook some beans. I'm craving for some kind of bean stew or something later on. But then I'm gonna go get my hair permed. I'm gonna go for like a curly look this time. Let's see, trying something new. That's basically it. Simple life here in KL. So this is the finished look. Very curly. They blow dried it, so it has a lot of volume. But I like it. It's a different look. If I take this down, it's definitely flippy. But no, try something different. So yeah. I am on my way to go to Pickle Social, get pickleball lessons. It's a group lessons and it comes with about 80 ringgits for an hour and a half. I went once before and I actually liked it, and I'm going again. Hopefully I remember what I've learned when I come back from New York. Yeah, my hair's a little curly right now. As you could see, I'm still learning on how to manage it, but I like it. It's a different look. I had another pickleball class. This isn't bad at all. I'm still really stiff, but I'm learning how to serve better. So that's a good thing. Met some ladies and we actually had some drinks after. Met another expat. Yeah, basically I think we're gonna start doing a pickleball group for us beginners. So we'll see. Too bad I'm leaving in a couple weeks, so they might be a little bit ahead of me by the time I come back. But yeah, it was really good. It's good to meet new people. Probably join activities if you're new to the area. It might be a good thing to meet new people. Pickleball. So I went to my neighbor's house like earlier this week and she served us this herbal tea. She was actually saying that when she went to like I guess like the market, her friend just basically got them there in a pack together instead of just buying the ingredients individually. They come in a pack and I think I found them. So there's different flavors. I see ginseng root herbal soup, the cordyceps ginseng soup, and like dried snow pear nourishing sweet soup. And yeah, the one that she got me or served us was like a sweet tasting. It had monk fruit. So I'm gonna bring some to my mom. She loves this kind of thing. So this looks like a really good souvenir probably to bring home. There's actually different teas also. Pain-free period. What else is calming tea? I might just get a few each and probably try some for myself too. So like there's like an herbal tea that's actually really good for like sore throat, especially like boost your immunity. So maybe get a few of them.
So one Thai milk tea and one.
Which one? So we're in Mid Valley and we are gonna try a new room for tea that Mark told me about. It's a Thai milk tea. We're trying to get the best seller. So we're gonna get the Thai milk tea and the Thai tea latte. Look how cute this place is.
So we got a couple of tea from Chatramu. This is a Thai latte, and this is Thai milk tea with jelly inside.
Which one is this?
Of course, you're gonna try mine first.
Trying Mark's drink first.
It's good.
We're trying to get over our hazy addiction, so we're trying something else. They're both sweet Marks, actually.
I said 30%.
You sure this is what I think? Yours is sweeter.
Oh yeah?
So we went to Mid Valley Mall because for some reason the iron we bought 10 months ago, which is a Philips, just stopped working and definitely need to have an iron. So we actually, last time we bought an Aeon, which is like almost a department store here. This time I'm gonna go, we went with Harvey Norman. Some like really fancy looking iron there, like 4,000 ringgits. We're not going that way. So I ended up with this iron. So yeah, it's like 300 ringgits. Has a 2-year warranty with Harvey Norman. And for extra 60 ringgits, you can actually get a 5-year warranty with that. So I think 2 years is enough. And it's not such a bad price. This is a different kind of iron that we have. It's actually auto sensing of what fabric. So who knows, this has guaranteed no burn. Hopefully what he said is true, that no more burns with any of the clothes that I iron. But anyways, if you are new to the place, Harvey Norman has a lot of like household appliances, furniture also, that you can buy from. So we have prawn fritters, and you said this is a banana ball. Yeah.
Jackfruit's there.
This is a jackfruit fried. And then this is like what is it called? Curry puff. Then we're gonna try some quays over here. She said this has a coconut filling, pandan, quay, and I think cassava. And this one is like prawns. That one. We're gonna try.
All the name.
Oh, I think this is the seeds of the moringa. Oh, I love this. Do you put moringa as a vegetable? So we have time to kill for our facial. So we went to like the local market here near the facial place, and I got some moringa leaves, got some place, and then we're gonna just walk around and get some more vegetables. I think I'm probably gonna come back here when I start cooking and know more.
So this one is the window for relaxing. So breathe in, breathe out 3 times.
I'm waiting for my grab. I am on the way to Pickleball Social Club, and on the way down to the lobby, my realtor in New York just gave me great news. Buyers have accepted to go forward and they're drawing up the contract. So excited. The other day, we also had another offer, which was higher, but we decided to go with this one. So moving forward, in a few months, the house is going to be sold, and I guess we're going to be homeless in New York now. So I'm really excited. All right. Yep. Definitely ready to live this life here because definitely can't go back to New York anymore. Oh my God, I'm so happy. So happy. We were kind of nervous because for a while we didn't get really an offer until maybe the past couple of weeks. So happy. Almost forgot to pick up some cookies for Mark. Got him some M's cookies. This is his favorite. So good thing I passed by the store or the shop. So now I got a special treat when I get home. And to see, all right, let's go to the Bangsar Village Mall. refreshing. Yes, it's brown.
Yeah.
It's a big serving. Oh, it's different this year. I know nothing. What am I looking for? It's falling. What is this? This is not really maybe
At least there's like a display.
so those
Before
are
you might-
toys though. Mark's getting one too.